What if you could create a professional video without a camera, crew, or even your own voice? In this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia, one of the world's leading AI video creation tools, to turn simple text into engaging studio-quality content in just minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or entrepreneur, this step-by-step guide will give you everything you need to get started. Let's dive in. Synthesia is a powerful AI platform that allows you to generate videos featuring realistic human avatars, simply by typing your script. No cameras, no actors, no editing software. It supports over 120 languages and offers more than 140 avatars you can customize for your brand or message. You can add your logo, background, B-roll, subtitles, all from a browser. Synthesia is ideal for training videos, product demos, YouTube content, internal communications, social media, basically anything you need a human presenter for. It's fast, scalable, and simple. What used to take days or weeks, you can now do in under 30 minutes. Before jumping into Synthesia, plan your video. Ask yourself, what is the goal? Who is the audience? What's the message? Then prepare your script. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be structured. Start with a hook or introduction, move into the main content, and finish with a strong call to action. Keep your tone conversational and natural. The AI avatar will read your script exactly as it's written, so write like you speak. For this tutorial, I've created a simple sample script to walk you through the platform. To get started, head to synthesia.io and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Click New Video. Now you're inside the editor. On the left, you'll see your scenes. In the center is your canvas and settings. On the right, you'll find your avatars, voices, and assets. It's clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. Let's walk through each step together. First, choose your avatar. Synthesia offers a wide selection of professional-looking avatars with different ethnicities, clothing styles, and personalities. Next, select a voice and language. You can preview each voice to hear how it sounds. Now paste your script into the editor. One part per scene. Shorter blocks of text work better. If you have a long paragraph, split it into 2 scenes for better pacing. You can move the avatar around, choose a background, or upload your own branding elements. Add images, videos, icons, just like a slide editor. This gives you full control over how your message is visually delivered. If you want to explore Synthesia and start creating your own AI videos, I've included a link below that also helps support this channel. Give it a try. It's the same tool I'm using in this tutorial. Now, here's a power move. Using your own AI voice for even more control. I use 11 Labs to generate a custom voiceover that sounds exactly how I want. Once your voiceover is ready, download the MP3 file. Back in Synthesia, click Voice Options and choose Upload Audio. Drag and drop your file into the correct scene. This lets you combine your own voice with Synthesia's visual avatars, the best of both worlds. You can even generate multiple voices with different tones or emotions and match them to specific avatars or scenes. Once your scenes are ready, and you've reviewed the visuals and audio, hit Generate. Synthesia will start rendering your video. This usually takes a few minutes depending on the length. When it's done, you can download your video in full HD. You can also copy a shareable link or embed it directly into your website. Creators use Synthesia videos for YouTube, product launches, online courses, sales pages, and more. Let's talk about how people are using Synthesia in the real world. Educators create multilingual training videos for students around the globe. Startups make pitch videos and explainer demos in record time. Agencies use Synthesia to localize content for international clients without reshoots. Solo creators and freelancers launch video courses and build personal brands using only AI tools. The possibilities are endless, and you don't need a team or big budget to do it. Here are some key tips and common mistakes to watch out for. Keep your script natural. Don't write like a textbook. Avoid large blocks of text in one scene. Split them up for clarity. Don't overload your video with too many graphics or effects. Test your voice and avatar before finalizing. Some combos work better than others. Use subtitles to improve engagement and accessibility. And most importantly, keep practicing. your third or fifth video will always be better than the first. And that's it! You've just learned how to create your own AI video using Synthesia, step by step. From writing a script to generating your avatar video in minutes, all without a camera or editing software. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered business content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. The future of video is here, and it's yours to build.